In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Temu coupon bundle. So the way Temu coupon bundles work is pretty simple. Usually when you first create your account, whether it's on the website or the app, you'll get a bundle of coupons you can use in the store. To find these coupons, go to your profile icon and look for the option that says Coupons and Offers. Tap on that and it will list all the available coupons linked to your account. As you can see here, I don't currently have any available, but normally each coupon will come with a code. What you want to do is copy that coupon code. Then head back to the Temu homepage, browse around, and add everything you'd like to buy into your cart. Once you're done, go to your cart and hit checkout. Next, enter your shipping address, confirm your delivery method, it's usually free shipping, and you'll see a box that says Enter Coupon Code. Paste your coupon code into that box, click Apply, and the discount will be added to your order. That's it. You can repeat this process with as many coupon codes as Temu has given you.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.